In this video, I will show you how to change background image in Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the website that you want to change the background image for. And once you do that, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to website. We're going to go to pages. We're going to find the page where we want to change the background for. Let's choose this shop page. Now, for the shop page, the layout is a header that displays the header of the website, and we have the main page that displays the items. Now, let's say we want to change the background for the header. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this edit button here, and we're not going to click on edit site header. What we're going to do is we're going to find the section where we want to change the header for, and we're going to click on edit section, and we're going to go to background. Now, once you're in the background, to replace this image, what you're going to do is you're going to click on replace, and you can either choose to upload a file of an image that you want to replace it with. You want to select from library, you want to browse stock images, or you want to browse backgrounds. But let's browse stock images. And in stock images, we can see other backgrounds that we can use to replace this background. Now, once you click on it, it's going to load and it's going to show you a preview of it loading. Once it's done loading, it's going to replace the image that was there previously. And as you can see, it's replaced the image totally. Now we can also adjust some effects with the image effects, and we can go down and we can change the opacity of the image to show if we want it to fully disappear or just show on the background. Now there are other things you can also add. Also, you can add a video or you can add an art, and that's how you change background image on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.